Today, we will talk about how to organize a small apartment with no storage. Let's have a look at the details. Whether someone is seeking a more minimalist lifestyle or a small space, is all that's in their price range. It's very common for people to live in small apartments. You might be wondering how you could possibly fit all your belongings into such a small space. Luckily, with some smart creative organizing, you can maximize the space available in your living area, closets, bedroom, and kitchen. The first step is avoiding clutter in your living area. Attach hooks to the wall in your entryway. Jackets, purses, and bags can take up a lot of space if they're thrown around. By installing hooks just inside the front door, you will have a designated spot for these items. Hang shoe organizers inside your closets to free up space. Hanging shoe organizers give you storage pockets for all your footwear that might otherwise clutter your floor or closet space. Place space-saving corner shelves throughout your apartment. Maximize your storage room by using all of the corner space available in your apartment. Use floor-to-ceiling bookcases to take advantage of vertical storage. In a small apartment, all your storage must be done vertically. Tall bookcases are a great investment because they take advantage of this and let you store items from your floor all the way up to your ceiling. Find a pop-up coffee table to maximize your space. This type of coffee table opens up to reveal storage space inside. Get rid of things you don't need to prevent clutter. One of the keys to living in a small apartment is minimizing the number of things you have to store. The second step is making space in your bedroom. Get a bed with storage space. If your bed has enough storage, you could avoid the need for a dresser or cabinet and increase your available floor space. Consider a Murphy bed if you live in a studio apartment. Murphy beds are designed to fold up into a compartment that looks like an ordinary cabinet. Mount shelves above your bed for additional storage and decor. There is plenty of space above your bed for one or more shelves, avoiding the need for night tables that take up room. Add a door hanger to your closet to free up closet space. This instantly doubles your space by allowing you to hang clothes on the normal closet rack and the door rack. Hang a full-length mirror on your door. A flat mirror can easily hook to the top of your bedroom door. This takes up very little space and will make getting dressed a lot easier. Get a laundry hamper and keep your dirty laundry in it. This will prevent you from leaving clothes on your floor. And the third step is maximizing space in your kitchen. Install wall hangers for your pots and pans. These take up a lot of space, and you'll probably need your drawers and cabinets for storing utensils and cooking supplies. Mount spice racks to the wall to save space. Use stackable shelves in your cabinets to stay organized. Cabinet space is precious in a small kitchen, so you have to make the most of what you have. Attach a folding table to your wall. If your kitchen or living area is too small for a table, there are models that hook to your wall and fold up. Like a Murphy bed, these tables free up space when not in use. Store items above your refrigerator. There is more room up there than you think. Utilize the space above your cabinets for storage, rather than collecting dust. This area can maximize the storage in your kitchen. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.